comes the man, hot damn.
What's up, this is Jam with a quick beginner house dance tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the heel step. So the heel step is a really core fundamental step within house. So I'm gonna break down the technique for this step for you, and I'm gonna teach you my secret sauce to be able to really get the groove involved with this one, okay? Heel step, okay, very simply, we're gonna take our heel step, yeah? So we're gonna step and back, okay? So this is just the feet. We're going heel and back, okay? Now, the heel step needs to have the jack involved, all right? So, and if you don't know how to jack, I'm gonna put that link right there. So the jack is really, really important in this step because it's how you carry the momentum with it. So, with the jack, every time I put my heel out, I'm going to jack forward, okay? So I'm gonna close my body like this, and then I'm gonna come back. Forward, back. Boom, and boom, and boom, and boom, okay? Now, when you do it slow, it's pretty simple. It's just one step to one step, but I'm gonna show you how to keep the flow going when you're going quicker, right? This is the secret sauce right here. So we're gonna go forward in the heel, right? So we lean forward. Now, as I step back, this right here, this step here, I'm actually going to lift up on my toe. I'm gonna come up on my toe, and this jack is gonna come around so that I can go boom, right into the next one, yeah? So I go heel, and this is my prep to go heel. So in between that heel, there is a little bit of a lift right here on my toe to go heel. Now this is important because when you're going quick, you need to keep that jack going. If you don't do that, it's gonna look like this, very grounded, but it's not gonna be quick and fluid. You want that jack to stay fluid so that you can also transition to other steps. So I'm going heel, up, heel, up, heel. Now as I go up, that jack is here, right? So I'm doing this with my body as I go into my heel. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and that's the heel step.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Now, if you want more in-depth house training, I have a full-length class inside of my membership on YouTube where I teach you a progression to practice all of the basics. So if you want to check that out, you can click that join button right down below. Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.